not subscribed yet, please subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon. Ting! Friends, please like and watch my full video because in the end of my video I'll ask questions. Guys, today we're going to have fun learning how to make Play-Doughs at home. It's not necessary that you go outside and buy Play-Doh. You can also make it at home. Now what is Play-Doh? A Play-Doh is a compound which kids can play and use for art and craft. The first Play-Doh was manufactured in Ohio, United States. I love to play Play-Doh. I think everyone likes to play Play-Dohs because it is soft and squishy. You can make so many things out of it. Now let me tell you benefits of Play-Doh. Fine motor skills, language, science, maths and creative ideas. Now it's fun time. Need 2 cups flour, cream of tartar, cooking oil or baby oil, color, salt, boiling water and bowl. Our Play-Doh is ready. Squishy and soft. I made this Play-Doh 2 weeks before and it's still squishy. You can also use the Play-Dohs for a long time. Now let's make flowers. Now we're going to make flowers using Play-Doh. For that you need bamboo sticks, pearls, roller, plastic knife and any color of Play-Doh. Wow, let it dry for 2 days. I hope you liked today's activity. Remember in the beginning I told you I'll ask questions in the end. So, are you ready? Question 1. In which country Playdough was manufactured? Question 2. What things can you make using Playdough? Please answer in the comment box. I'll wait for your answers. Now it's time to go. And remember, always stay happy and learn more. Bye.